Hey guys, it's Nikki here at Stillwater's Wreath Designs, and you can hear my dog shuffling around in the background. But hey, I wanted to show you something that we haven't really talked about in a while. So I mentioned to you late last fall, if you've been on the channel with me for a while, that my husband started making, and we've put into our Etsy shop, wreath easels that he designed himself, he makes himself. And since we launched them in, I think it was November of 2023, we have sold so many. So if you're someone who has purchased an easel, I so appreciate you. That is my husband's blood, sweat, and tears, and his contribution to the Stillwater's dream. So thank you very much. But if you've not yet had a chance to take a peek at the wreath easel, I'm getting ready to box one up to ship out, and I thought I would just show you what it looks like. Let me turn my camera around. Okay. Also, guys, you know, it's a beautiful day in northern Indiana. My windows are open, the birds are chirping, traffic's going by, all the things. So excuse that, but this is what the wreath easel looks like. It is 17 inches wide and 28 inches tall. So this holds fairly large wreaths, and it's made out of pine. So there's pine boards along the front. They're sanded. There's a stainless steel extra large hook so that you can make all different types and sizes of wreaths. And let me show you what the back looks like. So the back is reinforced with 2 pine cross beams along the upper and the lower. It's got a kickstand so that your easel sits at an angle. And then we've got a chain down here, which will keep that kickstand in place, and it allows you to collapse it. So let me grab a wreath from my front door, and we're gonna hang that up. Okay, so I've currently got on my front door an extra large floral grapevine, and you can see that the easel really handles those larger, heavier wreaths really well. By the way, if you like this wreath, I did do a tutorial on it. I'll leave a link for you below. So there's what it looks like with a completed wreath hanging on it. Now let me show you how this handy dandy easel collapses for easy storage. Okay, so I've taken the easel off of my dining room table. I've just propped it up against the wall, but you can see that it collapses super duper thin. So you can tuck it away about anywhere. You don't have to take my word for it, guys. I'm going to show you a boatload of 5-star reviews we've gotten on Etsy. Thank you for everyone who's purchased one. And if you're interested in adding one to your wreath making collection, I'm going to drop a link for you below. Thanks, guys. Happy crafting.